Hey yo, what's up? This is JB Tattoo from San Carlos Negros. Touchdown Gihongan Tattoo Competition, July 13. Good luck to all participants. Hey yo! So, nata sa Gihongan, no? Hey yo, what's up? This is JB Tattoo from San Carlos Negros, joining tattoo competition at Gihongan City. Hey yo, what's up? We are here in Gihongan City. My model cooking. Tingnan mo yung model ko. Siya pa yung nagluluto. Siya yung model ko. Yun. Salamat sa masarap na luto. Poging model. Alright. Naghanap rin ako ng model next time na marunong magluto. Kasi tapos ng competition, siya yung magluluto, siya yung magsasaing. Oh, tingnan mo. Oh, yan. My model cooking show. Oh, ha? Minsan lang yan mangyayari. Bihira lang mangyayari. Model. Nagluluto pa. Oh, di ba? Tita Emboy, yung Gihongan. Alright. Hey, yo. What's up, yo? Maayong adlaw sa tanan, no? Dilappinya, Disiri. Badat, Kuya Kirk, Katlea, Kaloy, Carl. Yo, what's up? We are here in Gihongan City. Oh, alright. By the way, si Ami Bridget, si Rick Tuy. Alright. Yo, what's up, yo? Tingnan nga natin kung masarap yung luto ng model. Buksan mo nga. OMG! Oh, shoutout. Siya yung nagluto, ha. Yung model ko, ha. Tingnan mo. Tattoo model na. Masarap pa magluto. Ow! Breakfast tayo, guys.